I've been super busy preparing for the 2020 Griddlemore tour. So here is the box that UPS just dropped off. Let's cut it open. So let's get in there and see what we have. Rastelli's, established 1976. And a bunch of this good looking stuff. Black Angus beef New York strip steaks. 2 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rastelli's Black Angus beef steak craft burgers. I better hurry up, the sun is going down over the mountains. Then it looks like we have 2 packages, 2 1-pound packages of Black Angus ground beef, 85.15. Followed by 2 1-pound pork tenderloins. Looks like 2 more steaks here. Black Angus beef ribeyes. So 2 10-ounce ribeyes. These are looking mighty delicious. Losing my light here. A 1-pound bag of scrumptious looking wild-caught shrimp. We are officially losing daylight, but not before. A frozen, oh my goodness, these are so cold. Whole young organic free-range chicken. So for the folks that only want griddle recipes, you're probably going to be pretty disappointed today, but I've been really busy planning things for the Griddlemore tour, getting recipes together, lots of itinerary. So a shout out to Rastelli's in New Jersey for hooking me up. Thanks to Sarah and Tim. I appreciate it. Definitely going to put this stuff to use, and you'll probably be seeing me using shrimp, chicken, steaks, ground beef, pork tenderloin in some coming videos, folks. So thanks for watching. I'll be back very soon. I have a ton of videos lined up. And until next time, this is Todd, and I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the meat and seafood. Back inside, warming up, time to put the meat in the freezer. I haven't done a freezer video in a few years. 100% success hunting in Colorado and Nebraska this year. We process all of our own meat. We have lots of elk burger patties, plenty of elk breakfast sausage, ground elk, Nebraska deer burgers, Nebraska mule deer, cracked pepper garlic summer sausage. What do we have here? Elk backstrap steaks. There's elk roast down there. Ground Nebraska mule deer, Nebraska breakfast sausage, elk roast, more mule deer, summer sausage. One of my favorite parts of processing meat, making summer sausage. So I'm very, very excited. Very thankful to add this to the freezer. Can't wait to put some of this into videos. When I was just finishing up on the porch filming the video, I actually got a message from somebody, and they told me that I can tell you all that you should be expecting news of a significant discount for Blackstone customers. So stay tuned for that. I'm not quite sure what it's going to be yet. I'm not selling this, just blessed to get it. Rastelli seems like a first-class operation, so stay tuned though for that amazing discount that I was just told about.